Have you ever felt like you missed the boat when it comes to crypto and specifically Bitcoin? Maybe it feels too expensive or too lofty. Maybe you just don't know how you could ever catch up. But at the same time, you know that the US dollar is not becoming any more valuable. As a matter of fact, it's eroding day by day due to inflation and money printing. So philosophically, you want as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Meanwhile, you're looking at Wall Street and there's all of these companies like MicroStrategy and ETFs that are gobbling up more Bitcoin per day than's being mined by the entire Bitcoin miner network. Well, in this video, I want to give you 5 specific steps that if I had to start all over again with my crypto journey, this is how I would start over and become my own Bitcoin Treasury company without having to become a Wall Street firm or overcomplicating things. As a matter of fact, whether you're blue collar, white collar, educated, uneducated, doesn't matter. As a matter of fact, no matter who you are, as long as you're willing to increase your crypto literacy skills and your market cycle knowledge, you can become a very strategic and successful Bitcoin allocator. So let's dive in. Step 1 is usually where everyone messes up, and that is be specific about your outcome. People oftentimes jump into crypto because crypto is easy to get into. It's very easy to open a Coinbase account or a Kraken account in the day and age of app stores where we can download a central exchange account and type in our name and our address and voila, connect our bank account. All of a sudden, you can start buying away and you can completely skip the entire idea of reverse engineering your goals. To illustrate, think about a space mission, Apollo 13, Artemis, whatever. There's a mission control, and if you are serious about becoming your own Bitcoin treasury company, if you're serious about allocating more hard money assets and accumulating it for wealth, for you, your family, your heritage, your inheritance, you gotta think like mission control. Before they launch a shuttle, before a single rocket goes into the atmosphere, they know a schedule, a date. They know when specific things are going to happen. And I'm not trying to over illustrate here because obviously launching a rocket into space is very complicated. But when it comes to outcomes, being specific is number 1. So a couple of examples. You might say, I want to accumulate 5 Bitcoin by December 31st, 2027. You put a date and a dollar, a date and a quantity, a qualification and a quantification to your outcome. Or maybe that's too long term and you want to think more operational, more day to day. Like I want to earn 0.005 Bitcoin per day for 30 days straight. If you have these outcomes, the specificity of this type of outcome in front of you, the probabilities of you hitting those outcomes are astronomically higher than you just backing into things and playing the slot machine game in crypto. Which leads us to step number 2. It's very important that you automate the important. Once you have your goal in mind, what you want to rush towards, what you want to work towards, what you want to build is an automated or at least a semi-automated system that allows you to daily, weekly, and monthly work your way towards that ferociously specific desired outcome. And here's something that might be self-evident to you. Human nature wants to sabotage progress. Have you ever experienced that? Maybe even in your own crypto portfolio, you haven't gotten those outcomes, those visions of grandeur, those greener pastures yet. Well, maybe that's because you weren't specific when you got started, or maybe you did have specific goals, but you didn't have a way to automate the daily or weekly tasks that are required to reach that specific outcome. Then things get boring, or then distractions kick in, and this family member needs this, and this kid needs this, and work did this, and yada, yada, yada. The next thing you know, you're off course. And so, step 3, which is the thing that allows us to automate the important, that is hot wiring your goals with skills and systems. Now, this might sound complicated, but actually, this is simply where you become the better version of yourself. Because if you want better results that you're getting right now, you have to become the better version of yourself. And the way you do that is acquiring skills and putting systems intact that allow you to reverse engineer and daily operate towards that specific outcome. So I want to show you some specific skills and systems that I use every day, every week of the month to help me accumulate more and more Bitcoin. Because the wonderful part about being your own Bitcoin treasury company is that there are no rules. It's a free market. You can go out there and compete with everyone else and grab as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. And while it's a scarce commodity, it will not be as inexpensive as it is today forever. It has a power law, and the floor of that price will continue to rise. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has about a 30 to 50% compound annual growth rate over 5-year cohorts. There's a multitude of ways to get paid in Bitcoin every single day. One of those ways is by being a liquidity provider for the decentralized exchanges and different DeFi networks out there in the primary crypto market. I can go to DeFiLlama.com right now, and I can click on yields, and I can go over here to tokens, and I can find all of the Bitcoin and Bitcoin equivalent tokens out there and sort this list and find crazy, awesome annual percentage yields that far outcompete the S&P 500 that allow me to utilize my Bitcoin in a safe, self-custodial way and fully liquid way, so I can put my Bitcoin in, bring my Bitcoin out whenever I want to, and I can earn yield. All while providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, and in return, I'm earning a fee from their trading volume. It's really like becoming the bank or being the person on the bank board that provides the liquidity so that the bank can go out and do auto loans and mortgages, etc. Except in the primary crypto market, we're providing liquidity so that trades and swaps can happen. Or what if you use a trading bot that's basically just software that helps you earn, buy low, sell high all day, every day, that's denominated in Bitcoin, like ETH BTC here. Anytime Bitcoin outperforms Ethereum, I'm able to acquire more Bitcoin. And I was able to do that for multiple years from previous cycle to now. These software basically allow you to 24/7 trade without having to think through it. You provide parameters and it executes upon them for you. Again, automate the important. Or maybe you want a little more manual control. Swing trading is an awesome way to do that. And by participating in swing trading, that allows you to bring your Bitcoin to the table and trade short, long, with leverage, without leverage. This allows you to earn more Bitcoin when every move is made on the chart. This is higher risk, higher reward kind of playing field, but it's very effective, very episodic, and great for big injections of Bitcoin accumulation. And if you have proper signals and indicators set up, like my signal clarity system that I use every day, it's simply 2 indicators on tradingview.com. It allows you to know when to buy when you get the triggered signals, and of course, when to sell, when to take your stop, when to set your stop losses, and where to set your take profits. And there's many, many other ways you can automate the important. But hey, artificial intelligence is here to stay. AI is only going to continue to create a wider wealth gap as we go. So maybe you can have your own agentic trading bot, one that has its own wallet, its own rules that it follows, its own amount of crypto or Bitcoin that you supply it. And it goes out and it earns more for you and brings it home. In the day and age of open claw and open source AI, All of this stuff is possible more than ever. Then, when you're accumulating, like a good Bitcoin Treasury company can, you can borrow against your assets to accelerate your outcomes. You don't have to, but if you have an enormous amount of Bitcoin and maybe the mean price or the mean average price has been reached and there's a lot of upside to come, it's great to sometimes access liquidity from your assets rather than selling them, because that's a taxable event, right? If I can borrow against it the way I can borrow against real estate, which I can, and I'll show you how here in just a second, then why wouldn't I use that liquidity if I know my Bitcoin has a much better growth rate than most other asset classes that's ever existed in history? I can go to numerous places in the primary market in DeFi and utilize my Bitcoin as collateral and borrow against it and access more Ethereum or access more stable coins, more Bitcoin, and loop the yield. It's quite literally like a home equity line of credit or infinite banking that I don't have to pay back or have to make payments if I don't want to. And as Bitcoin goes up in price, it virtually pays off the loan for me. And I'm using the liquidity that I borrowed to go earn more Bitcoin, more yield that, of course, I can use to pay off the loan as well. Step 5, surround yourself with feedback loops. Treat yourself as if you're the CEO of your portfolio. When you wake up, when you go to bed, all day long, who's responsible for that specific outcome that you started with? It's you. It's your portfolio. It's not anyone else's problem. It's your responsibility. Take individual responsibility. But if you are the CEO, you need to surround yourself with incredible data, incredible macroeconomic information, incredible feedback loops. In the 9 years that I've been a part of the crypto world, the biggest thing missing in crypto is having a qualified community around you. It's easy to find a community. I can go on Facebook and find Facebook groups galore. I can go to Telegram and Discord, and I can find groups with 50,000, 100,000 people in it. But they don't all share my core values, my specific outcomes. They don't approach capital preservation and risk-reward management the way I do. They may not have a mortgage or need to pay for a retirement or a college education for kids. They may not run a business. They may not see things the same. They may not have similar tax landscapes as I do. All of this matters, and being alone on an island is the most dangerous thing you can do as a crypto investor. So I have an invitation for you. If you've watched all of this video and you're fired up and you want to do what I've done with my life and become my own Bitcoin Treasury company, but you don't want to do it alone, you want a little more hand-holding and maybe some mentorship, a community around you, I have exactly what you're looking for. Somewhere in and around this video, you should see a button that allows you to go to this page. This is a short little questionnaire. Fill this questionnaire out, and then it'll redirect you to my calendar. I only do one-on-one Zoom video calls with people who are interested in going to the next level. On that call, we'll review what all you've done in crypto so far, kind of where you are, where you want to go, but more specifically, we'll talk about the crypto flywheel method, which is my proprietary strategy that allows me to accumulate maximum amounts of Bitcoin all year long. It includes cash flow, appreciation, leverage, repeat. It's a methodical way to grow your net worth in crypto. Schedule a call with me today, and I'll send you a text and an email just confirming personally so that you have all the information at your fingertips. And I hope to see you soon.